fire that we're making to boil the straw. And these are the straws that we have collected from the field. The spawns. These are the spawns. Basically, these are mushroom spores that are put inside a rice husk so that the husk may act as a food for the spores. Yeah, so. These are the paddy straw that we're going to use. So this will be the substratum for the mushroom to grow. This is the water spray that we're going to utilize. So this, I'm just going to take this off to show you. Okay, you can get this in the market, and this is just an ordinary water bottle. So the thing you have to do is you have to put this inside. Just twist it. Okay, and you have to pump this, and then press this one, so it's ready to use. Yeah, these are the polythene bags that we have to use. Okay. We can also use propylene bags, but this is also good. We make fire. That's how we actually boil it. Sterilization of the straw. Boiling the paddy straw to kill the microbes. Yeah, this is how we boil it. And these are being sterilized to kill the microorganisms or anything that is going to harm the growth of the mushroom. So this, you just take it out to dry it. That's for cooling down the straw that we have just sterilized, and after it's cool, we're going to use it for the growth of mushrooms as a substrate. We're going to so miss where the mushroom is supposed to be when in the room. We're going to go for the room where the mushroom is to be kept. Now we're going to go to the room where we selected for the growth of mushroom in the waste spring. That is waste spring 1. Everything is already. Yeah, this is the room that we have selected for mushroom growth, and we have all closed all the windows, and where other source of light can enter. So because we need a very dark room, and this is where we're supposed to hang the mushroom. This the windows and even the doors and the windows we're closed, and we're going to off the light. Yeah, this.
You should keep at the corner, not in the middle.
Bukan ngai lo mo ya kan?
Di you can turn on the light.
I'm going to put some.
Will it be okay this one? I'll hold it.
Very strong.
So we'll be hanging again here, no?
Ya.
For the support.
Supporter.
Go. Let me flip you. Go and hold.
Let's take pictures. Can be